Hi, Amber. There you go. What's up, Derek? Queen. I'm sorry, Queen. We made it. Beth. I'm sorry, guys. Andrew. Let's go, Andrew. Hot Trait Nights. Hot Trait of the Dark. Marco. Marco. How's it going? Scotty. Hi, Steven. Uh, uh, how are you? Can I ask about Smooth Love Potion? Steve, we can take a look at that stuff tomorrow morning. What's up, Quinn? Quinn, what's up, Rockets? What's up? What's up, Crystal? Peter, hello, guys. First time at night, Peter. Oh no, Peter. This is Peter's first time, guys, at nights. First time. There you go. Hi, Christy, Eden. Hi, Virus. Hello, Rita. Hi, Mike. Welcome to all the new members. Atherion. Hello, hello, hello. What's up, Kendall? Hi. Good to see you. Good to see you. William. Absolute rubbish, William. Absolute rubbish. Fabian, hi. Lily. Hi, Lily. Hi, how are you? Let's go. First time here. It's your first time here, Eden? Okay, cool. Your second time. It's the second time, Ron? Okay, nice. Nice. A lot of new faces. A lot of new faces. Again, this stream isn't gonna be hot. Like the day stream, of course. But yeah, because crypto is rubbish. Crypto's a little bit of a rubbish right now. So I have some articles here to share with you guys about the crypto crash here today, and then Nick is gonna be on. I know you guys are super excited to see Nick. That's why a lot of you guys are excited. I know, guys. Sleep. What sleep? You lost count, Queen. I didn't know. A pricey and it's rubbish. William, William, congrats on your first stock play there, William. Good job. Good job. I'm good, Lily. How are you? How are you, Lily? Hi. Hi. I see that. Hello. What in the charts, Eden? What in the charts? What do you mean? No FOMO here, Shannon. No FOMO, guys. There's no FOMO. What are you gonna FOMO on, Shannon? Dogecoin is not doing a whole lot. Bitcoin is crashing here a little bit. Or again, the 52K all the way down here to 46. What are you gonna FOMO on? Dr. Amnesia, hello. Hi. Valued more than 10,000 in 2 weeks. Join the group. Telegram. No, thank you. What are we watching, Eden? We're watching crypto tonight. Again, we did stocks today, right? Again, AMC, Clove, BBIG, SPRT, and all the other names here. The night stream, guys, is just to relax a little bit and talk about crypto. That's what it's about, guys. That's what the night streams are for, right? Just chill, relax, decompress a little bit, and yeah. Too bad I can't trade until 7. Oh yeah, no, nothing until yeah. For the market, yeah, no. After hours is closed, right? Pre-market doesn't open for few for quite a bit. Some yeah, so we can just hang out a little bit. Just hang out. Scotty, hi Scotty, hi. Cool. There you go. There you go. Yeah. There you go, guys. Again, not a whole lot happening here. So we're gonna have to take a look at these charts and just to see what happened here today, right? I know there was a huge crash when we were talking about BBIG earlier today, right? Again, these things had some crazy moves here today. So we're gonna have to take a look at the charts and see what really happened, and take a look at some news. We know we talked about El Salvador and stuff like that, right? Again, we talked about just a whole bunch of selling, guys. Again, it seemed like buy the hype, sell the news. Well, more like sell the news, no hype, or a little bit of hype. Some. Steven says, "What do you think about the chart now? BTC Doge can see another drop. I'm here. Steven, we can take a look. Steven. So we can take a look. Jason, good to see you guys. Good evening. Welcome, guys. Just getting started. I just bought options on What did you do, Peter? On Dogecoin. Unbelievable, Peter. You just want to be everywhere, right, Peter? No, you can't just focus on BBIG and Doge. You just have to do rubbish. BBIG $20 tomorrow. $20 tomorrow. Remember, you can sell crypto without cry. Oh no, you can spell crypto without crying, without the cry. Crypto cry. Bulldogs, guys. The hot dogs and the hearts, green and purple hearts. In it to win it with BBIG. No need to FOMO. Yeah, no. No to FOMO. No need to FOMO. To work the rest of the year and next year. Wow, guys, look at that. BBIG to $20 tomorrow. That means VJ doesn't have to work for the rest of the year and next year. Gains, guys, gains. Whew. Like to poke you, Crystal. What have you done, Crystal? Let me take a look. Sit back, relax, put your headgear and chill. There you go. Yeah. Was amazing today. Yeah, no, we had a lot of amazing plays here today, right? AMC was very good. BIG was very good. Clove was very good as well. So yeah, hopefully we can continue tomorrow. Tomorrow. Yeah, let's hang out for a little bit, guys. Let's again. I know the crypto market really isn't doing a whole lot, so let's hang out for a bit, and then yeah, come back tomorrow, right? For again, it's gonna be most likely, guys. It's most likely gonna be earlier, like even earlier than we usually start. So again, we're gonna need that rest, right? So yeah, let's hang out for a bit, and then get some rest, and then come back early tomorrow, guys. Early tomorrow. So there you go. Again, there's also a new video, guys. Again, once this video is done, if you can go watch the video, give that video a like as well. So the video about Coin there, right, guys? You guys remember that video, right? So again, the algorithm stuff there, right? Again, so if you can give that video a smash of the like when this video is done, don't forget, right? If you can share the video as well on that would be amazing as well. So thank you very much. Thank you. Let's see. About hot rates and bulldogs, I'm in it for it all. I know, right, Jason? I know. I appreciate that, Jason. I know. I appreciate that very much. So, yeah, guys, don't forget to smash that like if you haven't already. Smash that like, hit that subscribe, and yeah, until we have 100 people watching, he's punishing me. Super strict. Said I can't. There you go, guys. So yeah, don't forget Nick can come on until we have 100 viewers, right? So again, it's the night stream. The night streams have been slacking a little bit. But the day streams have been lit, right? So again, so make sure you smash that like, hit that subscribe, and Nick is gonna be on. If you haven't met Nick yet, uh don't know what to tell you. Right, Beth? Beth has been waiting. Beth is falling asleep, and we're giving Beth. We're doing this rubbish, right, Queen? We more? Not anymore. Now leaving Florida, Alabama. Get some popcorn. Oh no, guys! If you haven't met Nick yet, get some popcorn. I know, right? Table flip. uh, let's see here. Let's see. You only experience Nick. Ethereum, you only experience Nick. Nick is a lot. Lily, uh, guys, it's funny because Lily is Nick's daughter, and Lily says Nick is a lot. Nick is a lot. We like it. Oh no, Rita. Oh no. There you go. I don't know. I don't know, guys. I don't know, Queen. So again, guys. What do you think about AMC tomorrow? Honestly, Shannon, again, I like the way AMC closed today. Right, again, I like the way AMC closed today. Again, it's let's we just have to wait for tomorrow morning. But I'm gonna skip this because I wanna Nick. It's like a ghost, guys.
Do I look different? Just a little? Do I look a little different? I don't know. It's been a long time. I might have changed a little.
What have you done? You put so much makeup on.
Yeah, I had a little bit of surgery, a couple of lifts,
Okay.
a little bit of Botox somewhere in this area. They pulled it back like a burlap sack over a can. They just kind of, I don't know. What do you
Yeah.
think?
I think you look fine, Nick. I think you look fine. Just have to. There you
That
go.
was hot. That was hot. Yeah, that's right.
Wow.
It's a stranger's mask. I felt like that was fitting since I've been behaving like a stranger for the last
Yep.
however long.
Yep.
I do change a lot though.
Yeah. Wow, guys.
Blaze, brother, it has been
Nick,
too long. It's too
I,
long.
I don't know what to tell you. How have you been? How have you been?
I've been good. We've been it's been crazy. I don't even know the last time I was on.
Hmm.
So I've lost track of that. I know
Hmm.
it's been, hasn't it been like at least 6 weeks, right?
It's been a while. Yep.
I mean, at least. So
Yep.
just so a whole bunch of, so I'll make it short, the updates here. So my dad had the blocked artery.
Hmm.
We had surgery. Well, they caught it and it was really, really bad. It was completely closed and they couldn't believe he was alive. And
Hmm.
then in the brilliance of American medicine, they postponed the surgery for 3 weeks
Hmm.
because
Wow.
they wanted to wait. So they're like, we can't believe you're alive. Let's do the surgery in about 4 weeks. What do you think? So I have to bring my dad here and like
Yeah.
have him on lockdown, and we're like waiting on him hand and foot, right?
Hmm.
And so trying to keep his like his activity low, his stress level low, and all that. So
Hmm.
surgery happened. He had like 3 weeks of recovery. Everything was great. Sent him back to work. He was at work for 3 days, and a guy came in with COVID. The whole office got COVID.
Hmm.
The hospital kept my dad for like 3 days and said he was doing well enough on his own with that. They didn't have like a breathing apparatus. So he was doing well enough on his own that they said they can't keep him. They need the beds, but they can't
Hmm.
send him home alone.
Hmm.
So he had COVID. They sent him straight to my house, and we had him for 2 weeks. So he
Okay.
left last week. Today is my first like normal day in months. So good
There
Lord.
you
So
go. Wow.
anyway, hi
Yep.
everybody. That's as fast as I can tell that story.
How's Lily? How's Cando? How's the son?
They're all really good. My so my kids' birthdays are like back to back. So
Hmm.
my son just turned 14. I don't look old enough to have a 14-year-old son, right? Yeah, whatever. Um, so he just turned 14. He hit a growth spurt. He is now 6'3" and
Wow.
climbing.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I don't know what's going on there, but anyway. And then Lily just had a birthday and turned 12. So they're happy.
Okay.
And just coming off all that birthday high. They've had tons of
Yeah.
presents and cake, and we're all still kind of jacked up off the sugar. So
Okay. Well, I'm glad. Like Virus says, glad everyone's doing well. So it's good to have you back. It's good to have
thank
you
you.
back.
It's good to be back. It's good to see all you guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, Peter, thank you. No, I haven't been gone long enough for my kids to get married and have grandkids yet, but it's been about that long.
There you go. What do you think about all this crypto rubbish, Nick? What have you been
All right. All right.
been ignoring
I knew we
everything?
wouldn't get very long before you just wanted to get down to business, Blaze. Nick, this is why you are here. Tell us you are the whale. You are the whale. Um, so we I made some moves. So I still have I don't know. I depleted quite a bit
Hmm.
of my Doge holdings.
Okay.
All right. So I
Hmm.
think I still have about 60,000 coins, maybe, of
Okay.
Doge. I think that's right
Okay.
about right.
Okay.
I'll be honest. I
Hmm.
haven't really been looking at it. So
Yep.
yeah.
There.
So I've been moving stuff around as much as I can. I've got heavier plays in Ethereum than I already had,
Hmm.
and extremely heavy plays in Cardano,
Hmm.
um, which before today's drop had just about tripled. So
Wow.
we look like we're okay there. So I've
Mhm.
restructured some, but I'll be glad for everything. Actually, I bought today. I'll be honest.
Okay.
Whenever I, and
When?
I bought. I had a big sum sitting back trying to figure out when I wanted to do what with it, and so
Mhm.
I'm back down to about broke because I think everything everything's tied up. Everything's tied up again. So this, whatever. I don't know.
Well, it seems like a lot of people in the chat are happy you bought some ADA. It seems like Crystal's happy, Green is happy, Christy's happy. So
Yeah. So I had my first Cardano was just at $1. I'm trying to
Mhm.
remember if I was just under or just over $1. I don't remember. And then I
Okay.
remember like my first really large purchase was right around $1.10.
Hmm.
So I was already in pretty well, and I've been
Hmm.
feeling really good about it. But I had so much tied up in other places. So I today, luckily, I had already been kind of moving some stuff over the last couple weeks, and so
Hmm.
when today dropped first thing this morning, I was like, I could hear Blaze in my ear, So I got up and I was like, ah, time to buy.
There you go. Happy birthday, happy belated birthday, Liddy. Happy belated birthday. There you go. Yeah, have you looked into into why like everything crashed today, like crypto wise?
So I think I read earlier, it's all speculation, right? But obviously Bitcoin goes down, so everything goes down. Mandy, yeah,
Hey,
long time no see. Do you know I was in your neck of the woods like a month ago, and I should have called you. I
yeah,
was
you should have.
I was like right down, well, maybe not right down the road, but pretty close. Um,
Mindy's right down the road is like, it's like the whole of Canada because you can't find
yeah,
anything.
just
Just
her driveway is
yeah.
like going for, that's what I've heard anyway. It's just back to there.
Yeah, yeah, you
Um,
said hi.
yeah. So how you doing?
Good. I
Good.
lost I lost a computer charger, so I'm using an old computer right now. So it's slow.
So I had to do the same thing because I haven't been down here in the studio in 2 months.
Mhm.
So I was trying to catch Blaze earlier today is what happened, and I couldn't get him to look at his phone. Okay. So then I was like, all right, well, now I got railed into coming tonight because I couldn't catch him earlier. So I had to
Yeah.
come home and I'm like running around plugging stuff up and I can't even find half the stuff I film on. So I don't know.
That's okay. That's okay. It doesn't have to be a super long stream. Like crypto isn't doing a whole lot anyways. So yeah.
Yeah.
No,
Yeah.
Nick, you were talking about the crypto crash.
Yeah. So some people, I don't know why, but obviously when Bitcoin started dropping today, and I didn't track it too closely, um, then I've already heard a couple of different places. There's speculation that there's realignment happening for
Okay.
some of the big moves coming in ADA and Ethereum.
Okay.
Now, I would have a hard time believing that Bitcoin fans, those Bitcoin boys, are
Yep.
pulling to move over to ADA and Ethereum, but today was pretty drastic, right?
Hmm.
I think Bitcoin lost $400 million of market cap or something like that.
Yeah.
So
I think there's an article here that I wanted to go over. I don't remember what the number is, but we can take a look at that as well. So
Andrew's right. You see, it won't be a long stream, just 4 a.m. That's what you. I think that's what Blaze has done to me every time.
no, I promise, Nick, because we have to be up like early tomorrow for some crazy market stuff. So
That
we have a
I
super
just caught.
chat.
Yes,
Hey, welcome back, super chat, Nick.
that's right.
Hi, 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 strange woman.
My I'm working
Yeah,
on
there
it.
you go. There you go. I'm sorry, Andrew. I said 5 minutes earlier today, and it turned out to be like 30 minutes. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Let me take a look at this article though, because I just wanted to again. I read half of it, but I haven't really gone into detail. Just because I was trying to find out what was going on today because I had no clue. Because we've been streaming all day today, right? Again, some top cryptocurrencies see red after Bitcoin suffers a flash crash. That was quite the crash. Not gonna lie, that was crazy. That was a little bit scary, but for 52k all the way to 46, 45. What was it? 45? Can't remember. Oh well. So let me see what this article says here. So several major cryptocurrencies suffered losses today, pushing lower after Bitcoin declined significantly in a relatively short period of time. Most of the top 10 digital assets listed on whatever that is, nine were in the reds at the time of the writing. Bitcoin, Ether, and Cardano's top three cryptocurrencies were down at least 10% in the last 24 hours at the time of the report. Gonna skip that there as well. XRP and Polkadot's token were down even more, having plunged more than 20% during the 24-hour period. Gonna skip that there as well. These across the board losses took place after Bitcoin fell sharply, dropping below 43k. Wow, I had no idea it dropped below 43k. Wow,
Yeah, it did.
wow.
It was
I
like
had no
42.9, I think.
Wow. Okay. So $43,000 around 11:30 a.m. Eastern time after trading north of 52k earlier in the day. That's crazy, honestly. Several market observers emphasized that Bitcoin suffered this downside amidst robust selling activity. Interesting. So, Joe, gonna skip that last name there. So CEO of cryptocurrency hedge fund manager, Bitball Capital, spoke to this, noting that today's BTC crash was a result of significant selling with high volume. Okay, cool. Those are just headlines there. He also spoke to the impact that this downward movement had on other cryptocurrencies, adding that Bitcoin's sharp decline shook market confidence, resulting in losses all around. El Salvador here again. We talked about El Salvador earlier today. I think Mindy talked about that as well. No, Mindy wasn't on stream. She was slacking. Just kidding. El Salvador. So, interestingly enough, major digital currencies suffered widespread. So it's this word, guys. It's the wild, Mindy. It's like the wild. You know the word you say,
Widespread.
widespread.
Blaze,
There you go.
anytime you get to a spot, just hold your hand up and I'll read the word in your voice and then we'll just keep
Okay.
rolling.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Widespread.
Okay.
Widespread, guys.
Widespread.
Widespread
Widespread.
declines.
Okay. Widespread declines. Okay. The exact same day that El Salvador started adopting Bitcoin as a legal tender, making it the first country to do so. Well,
Many.
Oh, oh,
no,
oh.
the first one,
Mindy?
Mindy. No, the
Yeah,
first
go
one.
ahead, Mindy. You got this. I was distracted.
First one. This one.
Wild.
Yeah,
Wild.
there you go. There you go.
Wild.
Many welcome the milestone. It coincided with a significant volatility. This event introduced greater uncertainty in the cryptocurrency market, said whoever that is. Again, I think again, this is a quote here from the CEO, right? Again, I think there has been uncertainty associated with a reception of Bitcoin as legal tender in El Salvador recently, which seems to be pushing Bitcoins and subsequently the wider crypto markets prices down. What he stated, a market responded strongly and the situation devolved into panic selling. Cool. Cool. Stating that the water la. Also, wait, stating that Mindy,
Wild.
whatever started this whole market downturn was probably coordinated, guys. Well, it seemed that way though, right? That was quite the drop. Not gonna lie, that was a lot of selling right at the same time. So again, whatever started this whole market downturn was probably coordinated. The whole situation spilled into some panic selling. Very cool. Right, that's the end of the article there, guys. Again, not a whole. Again, as I think in conclusion though, that all that's saying is there was a lot of selling, just a whole lot of volatility, right? A lot of coordinated selling. Honestly, there's not a whole lot of evidence there, so that's what it is.
I
There
think
you
that they did it. They did it to remind everybody that they run this joint.
go.
Sounds about right.
You know.
Yeah.
Okay,
Sounds about-
guys. I know
So,
you
all
guys
right.
are.
So I have to ask, what's
Mhm.
going on with the hot dogs?
Oh, hot dogs.
I've missed enough that I
I've missed
don't know
so much.
what's going on with all these wieners being tossed around.
So a few weeks ago, so there's a channel called Bulldogs Trading. Again, Bulldogs is a member. Bulldogs is here now. So a few weeks ago, again, Bulldogs, some members from Bulldogs. Again, these guys are like a big channel as well. They have about 20,000 subscribers as well. They came into the channel and started just being like like just very supportive and just very interactive and stuff like that. And fast forward a few weeks, it's just been Bulldogs combined with hot trades equals hot
Hot
dogs trading.
dogs.
hot dogs trading, right? So and
Okay, all right.
yeah,
Makes a
so
lot
both
more. I was afraid with the amount of wieners getting tossed around over here. I didn't know what was happening, so I was just making
there
sure
you
that
go.
wasn't directed at me some way. Like I show up, all of a sudden there's a look at the wiener's back. Everybody
Yep.
throw your wieners or whatever. I don't know. Macas
No,
are
that's
not
not what it
chili
is.
dogs.
No,
Oh,
Bulldogs is actually
entertain me.
yeah, no, Bulldogs is actually a very good, fun channel that they've been very, just very supportive and kind, and it's just been a community of like I've been on the channel, Bulldogs been on the channel as well for members on the stream, and yeah,
That's
it's
awesome.
been a lot of fun, yeah. So, Miss
Awesome.
Bulldog, can I get that fist bump? Of course. There you go, Nick. Welcome, Miss Bulldog. Good to see you. Thank you very much for the super chats. There you go. Cool, cool, cool. There you go. Wieners, wieners. Yeah, honestly, again, I don't know. Yeah, I think Nick, you mentioned something about can't remember what you mentioned about this crypto crash here. Kim, what did you say? What did you say again?
Yeah,
You said.
so that article kind of alludes to what I had heard
Mhm.
that it was coordinated, that there were some big positions trying to make a move out. What I have heard today was that they are positioning to make some plays in ADA and Ethereum, expecting some big turns there. You know,
Oh,
people are starting to get extremely bullish for the next 6 months, and obviously ADA has an update, right? They have a upgrade happening this month, like the 20th or something, or
yeah.
maybe sooner. So there's just a lot of focus on Cardano and Ethereum. There's also a lot of increased. Nobody's really started talking about this, but there's a lot of increased interest in staking those coins,
Hmm.
ADA and Ethereum specifically. So I think people are looking at moving over there, trying to make. While it seems like crypto might be kind of stagnant for a bit, minus a few things that are kind of outliers,
Hmm.
I think people are looking at staking as a means to make some return while they're just sitting on coins. You
Hmm.
know, a lot of the scalping is gone right now. So,
Yeah.
or you're really, really good at it.
Yeah.
Um,
It was gone
so,
until today. Yeah.
or you're like me and you got so much tied up everywhere else. I don't know what I would scalp with. So
Yeah.
I'd have to borrow money to scalp. I'm not doing that. So
Yeah. Yeah. No, you had some big positions. Honestly, I was really waiting to have you on because you had some big positions in like Doge when you left.
yeah,
Like,
and I mean I still have a good amount of coins, but so I just kind of had to do some of the math and see what I thought would turn. And I sat on it for a long time.
mhm.
And then I just pulled the trigger last week on one of the highs, I think it was, and I was like, all right, well, I'll be willing to write off some of this loss, I guess, and put this over into other stuff. And then today was good timing. Now, I mean, it can always go lower, right? But today was good timing. I mean, I got a good buy-in, so
Yeah. Yeah. Nick,
we'll take it.
there you go. Would you be so kind to give the people an impression? Just an all right, all right, all right, maybe.
See, I see what I'm used for. I just come back and just want to take the all right from my veins, just take it right out of my lungs. They want blaze. That's what they want, blaze. They
No,
want the blaze.
the
But
people want
here's
like,
exactly what you got to do, brother. You got to say to yourself, what is it that gets me up in the morning? What is it that gets my hoo-ha going? And it's blaze. It's hot trades. It is exactly what it is. And we're here to do it for this guy. So rock on, party people. All right, all right, all right. Oh goodness.
I started
Don't do it.
considering.
Make them earn it. Too late. I cave too easily. Just like I did on prom night. No, I don't think we should. Okay. Okay. If I can remember back that far. Prom was a long time ago for me.
there you go, right? Nice. There you go. So Entertain says, we've missed you, Nick. Haven't you guys
No,
missed?
I missed you. I missed you guys. I did not with obviously not with everybody, but I did have some conversations through Slack and Discord at times when and they were weird times too. It'd be like 3 a.m. and I was finally like alone for a minute, and I'd be like, let's see what's going on. So I have been peeking in at what you've been doing, Blaze. I've been keeping my eye on you from a distance, but yeah, I will not disappear for that long again. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
The next time is because I'm in trouble and you told me I have to stay away.
Okay, sounds good. Robert with the super chat says, miss you, bro. So good to see you. All right. There you go. Very cool.
Yeah, no, I mean, it really is good to be back, guys. Like it's funny, like how quickly routine gets set, you know. I think I've read before that you form habits, right, in like 15 to 20 days or something like that.
Okay.
And I mean, my every day was watching. If I wasn't on, I was at least watching and involved in the background, right? And then just like, you know, I've kind of like been in a daze for months, for like the last 2 months, it seems like. So
Yep.
today was like the first day I was at work. Everything kind of felt normal. And I was like, you know what? Like, I think everything's like, nothing's going to blow up today. Like, I don't think anything's going to blow up today. This could be the day. This
Yep.
could be it.
There you go. And yeah, you missed a lot of stories. Mindy got a boat. Boat.
I did.
There you go. A duck hunting boat. She's gonna be doing some
Okay.
hunting. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I've been cleaning it. My fingernails are so gross. Can you guys see them?
That's
Yep.
that they do look like they could use a little help, but
I can't get it off. You should have seen it today and yesterday. Like, I probably stayed in the shower for like 20 minutes just scrubbing. Like, my whole hand was like dark green and it was disgusting. I tried wearing gloves, but the gloves were like sticking to the paint. So I just said, screw the gloves.
I hate paint. Yeah. Like, I will literally do anything. I will help anyone with anything. Not painting. I will move your whole home. I will load you up and drive you across the U.S. I will not paint for you. I hate it. It is the worst.
There you go. And
Doug
then
says, bring out the duck calls. I have one, right? I have a couple right here. This one was custom made, a little Bud Light.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
wait, so ducks are supposed to listen to that thing and come to you?
Yeah. Yeah, you call them in.
And then you shoot them?
Unfortunately.
Okay, there you go. And then Peter said some rubbish about I got faded, but not the fade.
Yeah, you got a haircut.
Blaze
know
got
what's
a haircut, and it was like his hairline was back here.
You did the LeBron?
It was bad.
Did the LeBron? Yeah, your hairline was back here. You had to go get help, get that fixed.
You know what's funny, Nick? Because usually I have a guy that I go to, and it's like whatever, it's like $30 or whatever. I go, but it's 30 minutes away. So again, I was like streaming all week, and I was just really exhausted. And I said, okay, I'm gonna just go to Supercuts. It's 5 minutes away, you know. Sure, it's $50, but it's 5 minutes away. So I'm just gonna go to Supercuts and get a haircut. So I walked in, and these guys, I'm like, okay, do you guys cut my type of hair? This guy's like, yeah, of course. Oh, this is a barber shop. We cut hair like that. It took like 2 hours, Nick. 2 hours. 3 people rotating on my hair, and somehow they still managed to mess the hairline up, and it was just very frustrating. And then these guys sent me like a message after. They're like, "We're really sorry. Can you come back again? If your next haircut is free." And I'm thinking to myself,
Now, listen, Blaze, I was hanging with you, but that's the point when you know you have been screwed. When the guy's like, all right, the next one should be free. In the haircutting world, that is the tap out, right? That is the tap out. They go, because this is what they say. It goes in levels, right? They like snip something they're not supposed to,
"Yep,
and they're like, that it'll grow back in like 2 weeks.
yep."
No big deal.
Mhm.
You got to a point where they're like, hey man, the next one's on us. That means it was pretty bad. That means it was pretty bad.
What
I can't believe I missed
pretty
this.
bad is he said it took 2 hours.
Yep.
The guy's like Googling, like, how do I fix what I've done? He's loading like picture by picture. There's like a forum of barbers that are together, like helping each other. They're like, okay, take a little more up on the left side. I think you can level it. Just keep going back. Keep going back. That's the answer. Just
Yeah.
shave it bald.
It is what it is, Nick. It is what it is.
Oh yeah, hey, look,
Oh, you got a flip phone?
the Z Fold.
That's cool. Wait, hold it up closer. Let me see it.
Hold on, let me do it like fingernails. How are these? How do these look? Okay, wait.
Nasty.
Wait, I can't get the angle right here. What? Ow! I'm gonna throw my arm out.
So it's just like a screen and then it closes.
Yeah.
Does it feel weird in the middle where it closes?
It always feels weird in the middle. Wait,
Oh.
the phone?
Yeah.
No, it's. I mean, you can tell that the hinge is there. There's this little crevasse. There's a crevasse, light to the touch, but all you got to do is just, But no, it feels really rugged. Feels really. I don't know how to explain. The hinge feels heavy duty and fragile at the same time. It's like me. It's like my ego. It's robust and very fragile all in one. I don't know, but I do know that immediately I flipped back to like 1990 or whatever it was, and I'm just totally good with this whole like flip action. I'm answering the phone like I got shit to do. It's like a bill collector, but I'm like, yo, hey, what's up? Yeah. Send it to collections. But I do like the Z Fold. I thought about there's another one, right? There's another one that like opens up like a phablet. That's a real word. Go Google it. I'm not being perverted. A phablet. It opens up like this instead of like this or whatever the thing is. I just thought it was too much. Like, I don't know when I'm going to be like on the phone and then opening a book. And like, have you heard about our Lord and Savior Jesus Christ? Like, here's the Bible.
Yep. Phablets.
Phablet.
Yeah. Because there you go. Peter says he's gone for months, comes back with a beard and a new phone. He's won the lottery.
I just got used to being broke. That's all it was. I needed to cry for a little bit and just. It's not going to get any better. Okay, I'll just deal with it.
Oh man, yeah.
Blaze, I can't help it, man. You got a haircut so bad they gave you the next one for free. Oh yes, I love it.
It's growing, Nick. It's trying. I'm not gonna take my hat off, but it's trying to grow back.
It's like a chia pet. He just keeps watering it every day.
Yeah.
I did have a haircut one time, Blaze, where I was getting a fade, and I just heard her back there like when they do that really aggressive for no reason, like they're trying to take the flesh off with my hair. I just want to be like, can you slow down? It's my fucking head. It's attached. I can feel this. But she was doing this shit like a cheese grater back there, and I heard the thing clip off, like, and it goes, wah! And she just stops. And like the clip is like bouncing on the tile floor, like ting, 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 like towards the damn door, like leaving. And I just sit there, and she's like, "It's fine." I was like, And then this is the best part, right? I didn't get a free haircut though, so you got me beat. She literally was like, "I'll be right back," and she left. And another lady came out and finished the haircut. She wouldn't come back and look at even the back of my head. She was like, "No. I'm out. I'm out."
That's pretty funny.
Oh, you know what? I did have a weird haircut in Utah, Mindy.
Wow.
This wasn't a bad haircut. It was just very bizarre. And it's worth sharing for just a second here, okay? So I'm in downtown Salt Lake, and we ended up having like a 45-minute delay before we were going to have dinner. We were meeting some people. So there was like a little hair place right here, right? So I'm like, yep. So I just bolt in, but it's like a salon. And there's like 30 chairs in like the bridge of the Enterprise. It's like this huge round, like you all look at each other while it's like competitive hair cutting. You're like looking at each other while you get your hair cut. Anyway, so it's like this big circle. So I'm like, yeah, I just need like a cut, right? Like no beard trim, obviously. I'm like, just a haircut. And so they finally send me back, and it's this maybe middle-aged. I'm going to say middle-aged. I don't know. But attractive Asian woman. Okay. And she brings me back, super nice. And she's like, wants to wash my hair before we start the cut. Okay, fine. So
Yep.
she shampoos it and does all the stuff. And then while I'm back in the chair, I've got on like a button up because, like I said, we're going to dinner in just a little bit. Okay. And again, we're in this like we're looking. I have eye contact with people across from me. Okay.
Yep.
She reaches over me from behind.
Yep.
She's back here doing my hair.
Yep.
And starts unbuttoning my shirt down to the navel.
Yep.
So I'm there with somebody who I'm trying to get their attention for like help because I was not comfortable in the social setting. I needed a safe word and I didn't have it.
Yep.
And the shirt is now open and I hear like, and she is like lathering her hands with something and it comes like in like this down like here. And there's like this full chest rub happening. So I'm like from behind, right? So I'm just kind of like, what the hell kind of a place is this? And so she does this, and then she like for a long time, way to where even as uncomfortable as I was like, I just need the haircut. Like I'm done. I'm percolating. That's enough. And so she like dries her hands off, cuts my hair, does it again. And then she literally buttons me up and sends me on my way. So I get to the register to pay for this thing. And at this point, I'm just not wanting to pay like $75 or whatever for this rub down that I just got. Cause I don't know what the hell is going on here. So I get up there and I'm like, hey, I just needed a haircut and I got like some kind of a chest massage or something. And the woman at the front is like, was it her? And she like points right to the one lady. And I was like, yeah. And she goes, we have a problem with her doing that sometimes. I'm sorry. And I was like, what kind of a haircut is that? She goes, that's not anything that we offer. I was like, I was accosted in a hair salon in Salt Lake City. That's supposed to be a godly city. And they mistreated me. Or she did. I can't blame all the good people of Salt Lake. But
No, blame all of them. It's fine, Nick.
So Blaze, when you got a bad haircut, did he work your chest?
Nope.
See, so you need to go back and tell him you need one. You got to have one or the other. You got to a free haircut or you need the chest rub.
No, it's okay, Nick. Don't wanna. We have some super chats here from Entertain. Says demonetization donation.
Of course, as soon as I'm back.
And then virus donation.
We need to start a relief fund for people who have been assaulted while they get their hair cut. Blaze, you, me, I think we need help here.
There you go.
And here's the thing, Doge Blazer.
Yes,
all right, I'm not just saying this.
Yep.
I really didn't like it. And here's why. I don't want people touching me unless like I really, really know them and really, really want them touching me, if that makes sense. Like I'm not one of those guys. Like if I see you, like Blaze, when we're gonna hand it up and we're gonna bro hug to the shoulder. Okay. We can do that all day. We can do that all day. We can do that as much as you want. But the front to front hug, that ain't me. And people that I have known for a long time will come up to me and try to hug me. And I'm like, hey, no. I don't know, man. My daycare I went to is different or something. I don't know. There is no help for me.
There's a message from Christy. Christy says donation. It's okay,
Thank
guys.
you.
Okay.
Thank you for the bad cuts relief fund.
People are not asking for the address, Nick. Green says, can I have the address and name?
So all I can tell you is downtown there was like a mall, an outdoor mall. Mindy, do you know what I'm talking about?
City Creek.
What?
City Creek.
There you go. It was in there. Now this was, good Lord, what year was this? Well, it was back when we were in horse and buggies, kids. I remember. You still had those little rotary phones. You had to call your grandmother. It took 12 minutes, and you better pray to God you didn't make a mistake because you had to start all over. I don't know. It was a long time ago. It was at least 15 years ago. So I would
Wow.
doubt that they're there with the kind of nipple
Yeah.
twisting that was going on in that establishment, but who knows? Maybe they hit their peak. Maybe they're booming. They're spreading all over the place.
I don't know. More super chats. Peter says, the super cards, guys. I'll pay for a real one. There you go, Peter. Peter
There we
thinks
go.
Peter's about to pay for a haircut at $5, Nick. Unbelievable, Peter. More super chats from Scotty's. Another donation for the bad cuts.
Bad Cuts Relief Fund. Yes, this is what we need. Make this trend.
Mindy, you need
Somebody
a
get this
bad
on
hair
Twitter.
relief fund. You part of the.
No, I get good haircuts. I don't know where you guys are going.
Yeah, well. Mindy, have you ever had a bad haircut? You just wake up looking fabulous every day.
No, my mom tried to cut my bangs once when I was a kid because I wanted to look like Lizzie McGuire when I was like, I don't know, like 11 or something. And she cut my bangs like straight across, and I looked like an idiot because they were like not textured at all. It was just like they were like, and she cut them wet. And so she cut them like where they were supposed to be dry, and then when they dried, they just kept rising. Yeah, that's the only time I got a bad haircut, though.
So, Blaze, did you ever get a bad haircut from one of your parents?
Nope.
What?
Nope.
Is this not a Canadian thing? This is an American thing. At least once your parents have to butcher your head and send you to school like they don't give a shit. They're like, yeah, we know you're going to get bullied. I don't care. I got other things to do.
No, niggas, because I didn't grow up in Canada.
$5 from sending you to Supercuts.
Yeah, $5.
Yeah.
No, we had some good. I didn't grow up in Canada, anyways, Nick. So yeah.
That's right. Cameroon.
Yeah, there you go. So we always had some barbers taking care of the hair. Entertain with the super chat says never take. There you go.
Yeah.
There you go. Tar Heel, I don't know. Yeah, Nick, you've been gone for so long. Tar Heel is another YouTube channel. They've been very supportive as well. I like their channel. So there you go. More YouTubes.
That's
More
so
YouTube
awesome.
channels mingling.
Mingling channels.
Mingling channels. There you go. Super chat from Peter.
Oh man, Blaze feels that one too soon. Too soon.
Yeah. I had to clean up. I had to delete some stuff that Peter sent me. Otherwise I would show it to you, Nick. So it is what it is. There you go. Honestly, like Bitcoin here and Doge, not quite sure where they're going. I would just if you missed a dip, honestly, my advice for you would be to just give it some time to settle here, guys. I would try not to rush in too much. As Nick is Nick is checking the Nick is checking this.
I'm checking real quick. Wait, what? I gotta do some work here real quick. Hold on.
Candles. Nick saw those massive red candles. He's like, "Oh man, I better sign in."
Hold on, wait. Yeah, let me stop acting like an idiot for long enough to glance at the chart. Shit! Hold on.
Let me see. The only thing that I know is not dipping.
Oh, here we go. Here we go, guys.
I'm just kidding. I won't say it. They know.
You guys know what's coming now from Mindy? Of course you guys do. There you go.
Yeah. We're fine. Where's Justin? We're fine.
Unbelievable.
Blaze, it's okay though.
Mm-hmm.
It's okay because I do have a little bit of Shiba Inu. I do.
Shiba
Inu.
Shiba. Remember what you called it? Shiba Inu Dinu?
A little. I got a little bit of Shib.
You want to give us an
here's
update?
What happened, right? Here's what happened. A guy that I know, I play basketball with, he watches your channel, and he's like, "Hey man, I went and bought some Shiba," and I was like, "Why?" And I was just, I was just picking on him, right? And then he's like, "I don't care."
Mindy said it.
And he's like, "I don't care." And I was like, "What do you mean you don't care?" And he's like, "Well," he's like, "because if it goes to even a penny, he's like, I'm gonna make a ton of money, and then so whatever." And I was like, "Yeah, you know what? I got a little bit of money I can afford to lose." So I bought enough that instead of buying another flip phone, right? I just threw away some money. So
I got all these
that's
videos
a
and
good point.
channels.
Yeah, that was me too. I was like, you know what? If it loses 2 zeros, that's a lot of money. And if it doesn't, whatever.
Right. It wouldn't be bad though. After all the jokes I've made about Shiba, it like goes parabolic, and everybody's like, Nick,
I
look
told
what
Blaze,
happened.
I was like, wait for the day when we have to stream about Shiba Inu. He was like, never. I was like, I'm just saying.
I'll just disappear for good when that happens. I'll be like, Blaze, I'm out. Sorry. I've disgraced the channel. I've disgraced it.
Scotty. Scotty says for the Supercuts Survivor Relief Fund.
If you or someone you know
Mhm.
has been tormented and tortured
Mhm.
by the people at Supercuts,
Yep.
reach out to us because there's help. You don't have to do it alone.
They're about to email Blaze and ask for a sponsorship. You wait.
No, Shiba? Oh,
Or
no.
Dollar Shave Club is just gonna get at you and say, shave your whole head, Blaze.
Yep. Nope. Absolutely not. Nick, you want to give us an update on Ascoin?
I sure do, Blaze. It's almost like you asked that in time. It's still at 0.0000000018. So we're good, everyone. We're still good. I haven't done that in a long time. Thank you, whoever said Green Bakers. Thank you.
Yep.
I almost forgot about that bit.
Yep. And then we have a question here from Nobles. Hi, do you know the new African blockchain by name? No, avoid that. There you go. We don't want another situation.
No, do not.
Just no explanation. No,
Avoid.
no, run. Do not do it. No, it is bad. No, go away. Go away. Shoo.
They all say they're backed by gold. Gold Lambos.
Gold Lambos.
Swear.
I'd take a gold Lambo. Shoot, for handing them out. I'll take one.
Yeah.
Blaze, I like how you didn't even want to. No.
Yep.
No. Leave it.
That might have been the only time that I'm completely convinced saying no. So absolutely not. Stay away. There you go. What's going on here, guys? We're just slowly dropping.
It's the Titanic. We're just slowly sinking. Mindy's playing the little what's that thing called? Cello.
Oh, cello.
Mindy's playing the cello on the deck. It's been an honor, Blaze. It's been an honor.
It's just so like sink. I think we're all just like, well, like we went through that big crash and then now this is happening. I think everyone's just like, okay. Yep. Like I think we're all just like numb.
Yeah, I mean, but you remember like the thing we talked about all the time, right? Is in the regular stock market, a dip like today, you probably never recover from, or you don't easily, right?
Yeah.
Crypto, that's like before breakfast, right?
Everyone's like, we're fine. Buy the dip. Everyone, load up.
I've just missed out on scalping. Like because I'll be honest, I had gotten to a place where like that was my jam. I was enjoying it, and then I had all my money tied up, and I've just been sitting and sitting and sitting.
Yep.
Damn.
That's what I've missed. Not as much as I've missed you guys, obviously. Yeah. But I've missed the scalping too.
Yeah, I know. We remember when you were making like a lot of money every single day scalping, a lot of money.
Yeah,
that's right. And see, the tax man's still coming.
You and what's her name? The one with the blankie and the tank top.
Oh yeah, I don't remember her name. Maybe Nick does. That's your scalping buddy.
Oh yeah.
I don't remember honestly.
I just remember I got on.
Anita,
and she was in the bed all cuddled up, and I was like, Blaze, what's happening here?
She's like bitching at her son. She's like, yes, I sold.
I just remember I thought I had stumbled into Blaze's like private chat. I sat there for a second. I was like, hey man, am I supposed to be here? Is this cool? Do I need to? Y'all want me to? Because it was all bed and what's the polite way to say this? It was all blanket and breast. That's all my whole screen was blanket and breast. I was like, what is going on here? What is happening? Is this a crypto channel? Blaze, what is going on around here?
We had a lot of guests back then. Like
Yeah.
a lot. I feel like everybody, and it was fun.
Yeah, I bought a couple of websites back then because of that.
Yep.
I'm using one of them. Did you know that?
You are?
Yeah, hot-trades.com.
Oh yeah. I thought you meant one of the other ones. I was like, hey, you were good. You hacked right into my stuff and just took it.
No.
Yeah.
Those websites paid off, Nick.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah. Well, made one of them. I don't know if the other ones are how they
Well, the
perform.
other ones, Blaze, admittedly, are long game. Those are long games. Those are long plays.
He's staking them, Blaze.
I'm staking Buddy the Branch. I need to see Buddy the
Oh,
Branch make it
no.
big.
Long
And
game.
then my payday is here.
Oh no! You know that's when you buy SPRT at $60, and then we're sitting on 19. You're like, "Yep, it's a long-term investment."
Then they have a merger, and you're just like, okay.
There's the question. What would you rather invest in? BuddyTheBranch.com or Shiba? Or Ascoin?
Shiba and Ascoin. I got rid of that book. It was.
Aw, that's memories.
Memories.
Mindy, that's memories. You can't replace memories.
I was tired of reading
I'm
it.
ashamed of you. Break my heart. Just replace
Everyone
me
knew.
too, huh?
The problem was everyone knew I had it, and so everyone wanted me to read it on stream, and I just was not about to do that. So I was like, might as well get rid of the evidence.
People are like messaging you like, will you read me to sleep tonight, please?
Yeah,
Bedtime
everyone.
story.
They're like, Minnie, do an open reading book. I'm like, I'm just gonna get rid of the evidence so I don't get asked this question anymore.
They got their blanket laying there with Anita. They're like, what happens to Buddy next, Mindy? Tell us.
It's funny.
Buddy goes to school.
Who knows? You might have missed out, Mindy. You could have made a bunch of money reading bedtime stories. Just saying.
Yeah.
I mean, the book, he's a good drawer. Like the drawings in the book were good.
Yeah, no, I'm saying if you want to go in partners, I'll buy the website right now, mindysbedtimestories.com. We will make a fortune.
No.
Let's talk. Just don't say no yet.
Okay. No, you gotta do Mindy playing COD. Call of Duty.
Okay.
Okay. Look at Blaze.
So
hashtag Blaze runs away during Call of Duty. Peter can attest. Blaze will literally leave our ass with 8 people just shooting us, and Blaze gets in a Jeep and is clear across the map by the time we die, and he's like, sorry guys, it's you have to fend for yourselves. I'm like, no.
No, Nick, I can't do stuff like that, So we're playing Call of Duty, and when everyone's dying,
it's the African way. We run. It's the African way. We run. I'm like, Blaze, forget that. You're a Canadian now. Stay and fight.
That's so funny.
No, guys, you can't be seeing people dying and then you're running into the fight. You have to run the opposite way, and then then gather yourself together, do some analysis, and then maybe come back, or just keep going the opposite way.
Oh man.
Blaze sees them. They're not even shooting yet, and Blaze is gone. And then 5 minutes later, they kill us, and Blaze is like, "Yeah, I saw them earlier." Like, why don't you kill them? He's like, "Nah." Okay.
Nice.
Blaze, have you had some traumatic experiences we need to talk about? You, other than the haircut?
Oh, yeah, exactly, Peter. Nice. He looks at a helicopter and he's like, clear across the map. He's like, guys, this circle. I'm like, forget about the circle. We're being killed.
You guys have to, all the members, you guys have to play a COD mobile and come join us. It's a lot of fun.
Yes, play Call of Duty with us on your phone. COD mobile, guys.
There you go.
Playing it on mobile?
Yeah, like me, Peter, Noir, Neil's on there.
I don't think I've ever played it on mobile. I'm scared now.
Yeah, it's actually not too bad. Not bad at all.
All right, so here's the real question, though.
Mm-hmm.
Come December, are you going to be playing Halo?
I've never played Halo. I don't play video games, Snake. Like, I don't
I used
play
to
like
play it when
video
I was
games other
younger.
than yeah. Just like COD has been the only thing that I've played like recently, so just don't play.
Nick, I promise you, COD on mobile is sick. It's so cool.
Yep.
It's way fun, and
So
I don't like playing games that much.
I have only played, as ridiculous as this sounds, Call of Duty a couple of times.
Hmm.
And then about a month, actually, when I was in your neck of the woods, the people I was visiting out there, okay, they're like Call of Duty freaks, right? So like I ended up playing for like 2 or 3 days, started getting the hang of it. So I would do it, but I'm excited for Halo to come out the end of the year. It's been a minute, and man, I don't
Yeah.
know. I always enjoyed that. Plus, I made a bunch of money off of Halo back in the day. Like I had a whole store that just ran tournaments constantly. And
Hmm.
like, so Halo has a different place in my heart, I guess. I don't know. I'm hoping
Okay.
it's good because
Yeah.
I want to play it a bunch.
Yeah.
I'll
Christmas.
probably play it a bunch even if it's bad, to be honest.
Yeah. Christmas hut rates retreats. There you
Ooh.
go. Ooh.
Ooh,
Again, guys,
where
like
was
crypto
this
isn't
at?
doing a whole lot. For me, honestly, if you missed a dip initially, like if you missed a dip earlier today, right, you just have to be patient here. Because again, there's some stuff going on here that we're completely unaware of. There's a lot of selling going on. So for me, honestly, you just have to be patient again. Let these things here drop to whatever level they want to drop at and settle. And then you can make a decision there, right? So again, if you're looking for again, these are some nice dip buying opportunities in like in good long term positions, right? Stuff like ADA, like Nick bought some ADA as well. There's some again, whatever you believe in long term, yeah, these are some good long term. Again, these are opportunities for you to scale in at. But for me, honestly, I'd be patient here. Why? Because again, I just feel like there's some rubbish going on. There's some rubbish going on that we're completely unaware of. So just
Yeah.
patience. Yeah. James says, "What do you think about? What do you think about what? James, about Nick's reappearance. Nick's reappearance. There you go, Mindy. There you go, Mindy. Question for you.
Hey,
Not really a question, more of a statement.
yeah, we're doing good, Star. We're doing good.
There you go. Meta hero. Mindy and Star holding that stuff. There you go. You
It
be
might
buying
be
more.
about time to trim the beard a little bit, the goatee hair a little bit. It's getting, I mean, I haven't had to be respectable for a while now. So
Yeah, you've been hiding inside.
that's right.
But are
Out
you
of the
back to work
sunlight.
now, or are
What's that?
you back to work now, or just
So I've been working the whole time,
okay?
which is part of the reason why everything was so crazy is because I've actually been going in the office the whole time.
Okay.
Well, for a good while. So
Mhm.
it was coupled with everything else. I mean, I don't know. I was sleeping less than normal, which I don't sleep much anyway. So
Okay. Yeah.
what,
Oh.
what?
Uh, Super chat from Entertain says so. Good entry at $100. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. So we talked about again. This thing was pumping all the way to like $1.20, Nick. And again, looking at the chart, it seemed like again like the good entry level would be $100. Nope. This thing decided to run all the way to 190 something, right? So Solano there. So it just left entertaining the dust
Hmm.
while he's waiting, holding Ada.
Mm. You could be
Don't
holding
know.
worse things. Holding eight is not that bad. So
Yeah, there you go. So James says, sorry, asked above, what did you think of this new crypto casino on BSC network? Huh, that's completely new to me, James.
I think is that the thing that it pays in the coin if you win?
I suppose.
Yeah, but you have to be in like certain states or something. I don't know. There's like
Okay.
a couple websites like that. Like you can bet, you can like
Hmm.
link your wallet and bet coins on like just whatever, and it's like a little game. And then if you win, it gives you coins. But some of them are like only Europe only and stuff like that.
No,
Okay.
I've seen them before, but
I've seen it. I've not done it.
yeah.
You guys want
Hmm.
to know what's extremely funny? It's been it pays in slot casino. Okay, cool. You guys want to know what's funny, guys? We've been like we haven't had a YouTube warning.
Since Nick left, and now we have one. Because he was talking about nipple rubbing.
No, it's
I didn't even say nipples, did I? I don't know.
What's it from?
Huh?
What's it from? My dirty fingernails?
No, it doesn't tell you. It doesn't tell you. It doesn't tell you.
It's
I wonder
because
if
of me.
Oh, you know what it is, Blaze? I wonder
What?
if it's because my duck call says Bud Light on it, and that's a beer.
I don't know what it is. Honestly, it doesn't matter.
Whoopsie.
Doesn't matter. Yeah.
Sorry, YouTube, if you're listening.
Yo,
Change your rules. Be a little better.
I'm so sorry, Blaze. We know
that's
it's because
okay.
of me.
No, that's
I mean-
not even an issue. We're just happy to have you back. We're very happy to have you back. It's been a fun stream.
Blaze, you hear that noise?
What's no?
That's you losing money. Nick's back. Demonetized.
No.
It's worth the Nick. No, listen, Nick. It's worth it. Nick. I do this. I do not want to be paid. I do not want to be paid. I never want to sleep or eat. I just want to be a software on the internet
software.
and be demonetized. Demonetized for life. Thank you,
Yep.
Nick.
Right, Andrew. It's funny. That's funny, Queen. Where's Amber? Amber's been busy today. Busy.
Yeah, she's busy.
Yeah. There you go. Is crypto trying to move here? Nope. It's a small green candle. It's not really going anywhere. So, what do you guys want? Another 20 minutes, and then and then round it off. 20 minutes. Then we can
You're the
have
boss.
okay. And then we have an early day tomorrow.
This is like the respectable version of Blaze. You got to get up early in the morning, get the suit on, get to the office. You're like, I need to get some sleep, guys. I got a big day in the morning. Got a presentation I got to do.
We have some gains to make, right, Mindy? Some gains to make.
I have no idea. I'm gonna wake up with like one eye open just in case. I'm scared. I'm scared. Like I'm excited, but at the same time, I'm just like, I don't even know what to think. With everything that happened with crypto today, then I'm like, what is happening with this world?
Yeah.
Queen, I can't use the duck call on stream. It'll literally blow your eardrums. It's gonna be so loud.
Okay. Oh no.
I can give you a duck call.
I can do a little one. Let me see. Hold on, let me hide the Bud Light so I don't. I'm scared, guys. This is. Look at him, please.
Mindy, do this. Maybe do this off camera. It looks a little.
Off. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know if you want that.
Oh my heck. There you go. That one's like a really bad duck call. That's why it's on the shelf because I don't use it.
I was waiting for something violent.
I was trying to blow it quiet because like I can like rip on them, but I was trying to blow it quiet because I'm telling you guys, your ears.
You just trolled me so hard. I was like braced for impact, ready for this like earth-shattering.
No, I blew it soft because I promise you guys, like if I ripped on it, you guys would have been like, oh my gosh, stop. It's so loud. I just blew it a little bit. Yeah, there we go. Please is over here like.
I was waiting, Mindy. I was waiting just like Nick, and then you came up with that rubbish.
No, sorry. Yes, I'm telling you, that was not like that is a bad duck call I have on the shelf, but I tried blowing it really quiet because I didn't know it's loud.
Unbelievable. Oh well. These a duck call. God.
Yeah, that was a duck call for sure.
Yeah. There you go, Chris. Right? Yeah. There you go.
That's what I was waiting for you to do that, Mindy. Like go off camera and then do a Donald Duck impression.
No. You know what's so funny? I saw this video on Instagram the other day, and this girl was like, "How to make a duck call out of, like I don't even know what it was. I don't know, a can. Like at the top of the can, what's that like thing that it's like you open the can of Coke, that little tab."
Oh
I
yeah,
don't know, it's
the
called
the tab,
pop.
the tab.
Yeah. She was like, how to make your own duck call. And it was like a 5-minute video, right? And at the end, she like gets ready and she's like, quack, quack. I was like, oh my gosh, wasted like 5 minutes of my life. Because I was like, oh my gosh, I wonder if this really worked.
Yep.
This will be the
Wasted my
most
time.
cost-effective duck call of all time. This is worth a 5-minute video. Oh,
I was so trolled. I was mad. I was like, thumbs down, thumbs down. Quack, quack. Yeah. Yeah, Queen, I did it quiet for you. One day, maybe one day, I'll rip on one for you guys.
In Discord. Rip it
It's
in
too late.
Discord. Yep.
Yeah,
look
Blaze
at
is like, this
Doge
rubbish.
trying to
Get
do
off
something.
my street.
Oh god,
Just-
this is just too good. They got my funny box going. I don't know why, but just
you. There you go.
ducks everywhere. Like, what the fuck was that? Did you hear that? What was that? It was faint, but I heard it. It felt like did you hear it? Yeah, okay. I felt like whatever it was, they didn't mean it. Like they weren't really. They didn't. It was an accidental. You know what I mean? Yeah. Okay, we'll let it go.
Yep. Think about this, Guru. It's fun to watch the stories and hear the stories, like Nick said earlier. If the stock but we are having fun. Exactly, Guru. Exactly.
Yeah.
Fun together. There you go. Let me see
We
here.
can
What
tell
else?
you all the places not to go to get haircuts. See, that's real life advice. Blaze gets free haircuts. I get toned down. Wow.
You guys need hairdressers in your family. Like I have like 3 of them, and whenever one's booked, the other one's open, and I just go get my hair cut whenever.
Blaze, you hear that? She's rubbing it in our face.
I know, right? I
She's
just
like,
don't
I'm
know.
sorry you guys have all this bad stuff
serious.
happening. Just have a few hairdressers in the family. Like it's a choice. Like I woke up yesterday and I was like, all the hairdressers out. That's enough of that.
Utah. I live in Utah. Everyone has a hairdresser in their family.
Well,
And if you don't live in Utah.
You don't live in Utah. And if you don't, you send somebody to hair school. What is it called? It's not called hair school. There's no way.
Everybody does. Everybody's family has at least one hairdresser here.
Josh, good to see you, man.
Oh, Josh.
Yeah, he's heading out. I saw some. I know Entertainment was leaving earlier. I said I called him and said bye. Oh,
Okay,
wait.
okay.
Christy's not leaving, right? Oh no, I think she was telling Entertainment good night.
Yep.
Oh,
There you go. Pieces free car wash with the card at your mom's shop this Saturday. Nice. Nice. And then Donnie says crypto is way better than stocks.
crypto's more fun.
Yeah. I don't know, Donnie. I don't know what to tell you there with crypto. I don't know what to tell you.
Crypto's more fun than stocks. Blaze goes, I
I don't know what to
don't
tell
think so.
you. It's just
It's fun streaming crypto because there's not a lot of the times there's really not a whole lot going on like lately, so we get to just like bullshit and stuff and talk about our lives. But like when we do the stock market, it's like so uptight. Like it's like strictly like stock,
it's crazy,
fun. Yeah.
And I bet you tomorrow is gonna be an absolute
Yeah.
yeah.
Maybe like when you're a kid and you're strapped in you're stuck in like the ball pit at like a birthday party or something and you can't get out. That's how I'm gonna feel tomorrow. You're stuck. You're trying so hard.
You can't be emotional about BB. No, Donnie, I'm not emotional about BB. I don't even have BB anymore.
Yeah, but you said sayonara to BB like.
I collected my gains, and I said, "You guys can suck it." There you go. Bye.
They sent him a vote, like an in-mail, like, thanks for holding BV forever. Like, you're our top shareholder. Here, help us vote. And Blaze sent back a sticky note that said, suck it, I sold. Is that, I bet you did. He's just like, unsubscribe.
Click.
He's not even denying it. He knows. He's like,
Yeah, you know when Blaze is guilty because he gets quiet.
What am I supposed to say?
He mutes his microphone and he acts like he's replying to emails. You remember that one, Mindy? He just mutes it and he's like,
yeah. He's like, wait a minute. You guys want me to vote? He's like, you know what? Suck it. Suck it.
So, I did buy a new toy.
Oh, what did you buy? What's up? Oh, wow, guys!
A picture of a car. It was $1. no, I got this car like last Tuesday, I think. That's my first Dodge Challenger.
Okay, nice.
Yeah.
I'm gonna play around in it for a little bit. I already missed my Mustang though.
Nick's buying sports cars and I'm buying duck boats.
Yeah, well, I have to have a way to get to the hairdresser. They just live with you. So rub it in again.
I just row my boat everywhere. I row my boat down the canals.
And then get out and walk 2 miles, 5 miles to the destination. Have you seen the new merch, Nick? Nick, have you? Beth is asking, have you seen the new socket shirt and the mug yet?
No, Beth, I haven't. Blaze, can you please show us the socket? Whatever I forget the. I would like to see it, please.
Let me see if I can find it here for you. Maybe I took it off. I think I deleted it from my list here.
I can share my screen.
Of course you can. Of course you can.
Of course you can. All right, Blaze.
So Doggy says confirm. Peter says confirm. Told you lottery. Doggy says confirm. Nick won the lottery.
No, I got car notes on them. I didn't pay cash.
Okay.
I got a car note.
Okay, there you go. That's oh no, guys. Nick, what's so funny?
I'm buying this.
No, you're not. Don't buy this rubbish.
I'm absolutely buying it.
No. And then,
Blaze.
What?
I just remembered. So somebody said in the comments earlier, I like that one too. I'm buying that one too. I'm going to have a Suck It mug and a Suck It shirt. Thank you, Beth. I'm going to, everywhere I go, that's what'll be happening.
Yeah.
People around here are going to be like, what is that about?
Yeah, it's an
Nick, we got hats too.
Suck it? You don't suck it?
We got hats too.
Oh, Lord. But Blaze, we still need to film. You got to come down because we got to film an intro that you got to use for like at least a week. And you and me are going to do like a Miami Vice intro.
Okay.
In a suit, like the 80s suits, like you and me, man, we got this. We might even get like picked up for a TV series, you know? I think we look good together on camera. Mindy could be like, she's right there with us. I don't know if she wants to go out in the streets or if she wants to be in the office and be like that hard, like sergeant, that chief that's like pushing us to be better.
I'll just be the hairdresser.
I'm gonna come over with no hair, thanks to Mindy. Absolutely no hair.
Okay, I give good haircuts, okay? I did go to hair school back in the day. Right when I left high school, I went to hair school before I went into the military. That's how I made money on deployment, guys. Like some side change. I'd give all the boys haircuts.
Yeah. Look at you. You got your side hustles happening always, huh?
No.
Nick,
reading little bedtime stories, giving them haircuts. You just
forget about that rubbish, Nick. That's the same thing Supercuts told me before. They absolutely ruined my head.
That's what Supercut said. We're really good at this. We do this for all the boys.
I was not.
I was a little bit of money on the side.
I'm not the best, but the military
Oh.
haircuts don't have to be the best because worst case scenario, you just shave it.
There you go. That's the answer of a hairdresser. If they mess it up too bad, they're like, it'll grow back.
It'll grow back. 2 weeks. 2 weeks. You gotta pull it hair.
Yep.
It'll all be over soon, sir.
Yep. Oh man, that's funny. There you go. We have like 10 minutes left, guys.
I don't, Blaze, I don't think you know how to keep time.
Oh,
You're like 20 minutes, and then like an
Yeah.
hour later, you're like 10 minutes.
Remember
guys.
when he
10
used to set timers? Like we'd be on until like 2 in the morning, and Blaze would be like, "Time's up," and just like end the stream. He'd be like, "Bye, later."
wait, I don't.
You
yeah,
set timers on your
timers?
phone. Yeah, you're like, I'm gonna set a timer for
Oh,
this and
You
that.
need one of those
And then you-
old-fashioned egg timers and just have it on the thing, so it's like, and then when it goes
Yeah.
off, it'll be this. But you need to have it the same volume as Mindy's duck call, so when it finally goes off, it's like, It's like okay, guys, time to go. The duck clock has gone off. The duck clock is quacked. Time to go.
Facts. Oh, new Tresemme commercial? Oh, you mean like the next idea? The commercial.
Let's do it.
Yeah. I don't know when I can, Nick. I don't know when I can, honestly. It's just a weird process. It's just a very weird process. I don't know.
It's all right. I'm just gonna smuggle you out. That's what's gonna happen.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm just gonna
There you
get
go.
tired of waiting. I'm gonna be like, all right, fine. Look,
There you go.
I'll just send a huge UPS box. You just get in it. It'll have a toilet and some snacks. How long of a haul do you think it is? I can probably get you here in 4 days.
Yep.
I don't know, customs. That would suck if you got stuck in customs in a box for like a month. They're fumigating all the boxes.
Yeah. You most likely will. I don't know. I don't know if Nick is Jacob. Are you still breaking into houses and stripping for Doge?
I just bought a car. I'm doing it more than ever. I broke into 3 houses earlier today. One of them was my grandma. You should have seen the look on her face. I was like, I got the address mixed up, but anyway, better pay me, Granny, or it's gonna happen.
Yeah.
She had those rolls of quarters, because she's old. She was chucking them at me. That shit hurt. But it spins. It spins the same way as the paper. So
There you go.
I took the punishment.
Pristine. Good night, Pristine. Good night. There you go. Alrighty. It's been, you know what? Again, Nick, I don't know. You haven't. We've missed you a lot, and you know what our favorite impression is? It's
Oh.
the. No, it's the. Homer Simpson. Homer
Yeah.
Simpson. There you go. There you go.
Did I ever do a Homer Simpson? I did.
Yeah.
No, he did
Who?
Family Guy.
Yeah, the family.
Peter Griffin.
Peter Griffin.
Hold on.
Not Homer. Peter Griffin. Please.
What the hell, Stewie? What the hell, Blaze? You need to learn how to track time. Ow! This stool just probed me. Ow. Okay, I'm good. That was violent and on camera. Let's do the Mindy. Can you see it? Can you? Hey, Mindy. What the hell, Mindy? What are you doing? Giving out free haircuts? You bad girl. You bad girl.
Oh my heck.
That's all you get.
That one is not my favorite impression. That's Matthew McConaughey.
Oh, man.
Bird is the word. Bird. Shit. The chicken almost took out the computer. Okay, anyway, I better stop before I get in trouble. Wait, I just want to see all the reasons you do get banned from YouTube. Like, I want the list. I want to see and then the man proceeded to do something weird with a chicken for 5 minutes.
Mindy's camera is about to go off. I knew Mindy's camera would go off right.
It's like, excuse me, everyone, while I clean the chicken real quick.
Yep.
Does anybody have a shake weight? Anybody have a shake weight? No? Okay. Oh yeah. All right, he's choking the chicken. You get the joke. I can't believe I had to spell it out for all you perverts. Gee whiz. Gee whiz. Gee whiz, Lois. Okay.
Maybe you go.
Yeah.
Oh god.
Nick, read Peter's comment. It's so funny.
Oh god. Where are we at?
It just caught me off guard. I was just reading the comments. And then I lost it.
That's wrong. Feel so bad now.
Yeah.
Exit. Stage left. Oh. So Mindy, did you see my new facial mask that I'm working on?
No.
A little bit of Botox. What the dream is, essentially. I'm trying to. This is what I'm going for. Not there yet. A little more work needed here. They're trying to wax me, but I'm fighting.
Yeah.
I'm fighting back.
Tara said she's dying. Yeah. It just caught me off guard, Peter. I just read it and I like lost my shit. It's when you put it close to the camera.
Meh. Meh. Hey there,
You
Mindy.
guys have no part again. I have no part, nothing to do with this. This is all Mindy's fault.
Hey,
Peter's
Why is
fault.
I
it
don't
my
either.
fault?
I'm just a puppet.
Blaze, that is Peter's fault. Peter, it's your fault. And look, he just leaves, says a comment, and then leaves.
Peter Griffin.
Oh my heck. Fine, I'll take the blame. I take it for everything else from Blaze.
Oh, Lord have mercy. You guys, truly though, Blaze, Mindy, everybody else, I missed you guys. It's awesome to finally get back to some sense of normal. I'll try not to disappear for too long. Just the amount of time needed so YouTube pays you again.
Okay,
And then
sounds
I'll
good.
come back and put an end to that shit real quick. So.
What we were like, Robert, I have to run away.
Yeah.
You know, my friends always tell me when I like they'll tell me you weren't with me shooting in Africa, so there you go. I don't know what that means, but there you go. There you go. Star says definitely missed you, Nick. There you go. Beth says good to see you, Nick. There you go. Andrew says missed you, Nick. So glad everyone's okay. There you go.
Thank you. Thank you. Me too.
Yep.
Scary for a minute.
Yeah.
Scary for a couple of minutes, I guess. But
yeah. Yeah.
All right, Blaze, that was 10 minutes. I have
It's
a
10
timer.
minutes?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you had your timer. Oh no, look at this. Mindy's ready to go. Nick's ready to go. So guys, again, crypto's not really doing a whole lot for now. I'd be a little bit patient unless you're finding like good bargains that you again the long term positions for you. I'd be careful here for now, right? Again, this sell off here was quite impressive, right? So just be let's see here. Help in the oh there you go. So have a good night, guys. We'll be back early tomorrow, hopefully. Nick, thank you very much. It's good to see you. Thank you for coming on. Thank you very much.
Absolutely.
Mindy, go find something to do, please. And thank you. Do something other.
Work on those nails, Mindy. Work on those nails.
Blaze needs to go eat something before he gets cranky.
Oh.
Alrighty, guys. Have a good night, guys. We'll see you guys later, guys. Good night, guys.
See you guys.
Bye. Bye.